Another question. Find the LCM of 8, 16 by 20 and 1, 3 by 7. 8, 16 by 20 and 1, 3 by 7 is 10 by 7. I need the LCM of these fractions. I need the LCM of these fractions. LCM of these fractions. Now, first, suppose if I take, listen carefully, sir, LCM of 1 by 2, 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. Let me do the LCM of 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. Both belong to the family of rational numbers. LCM should always be used on the same family. If both are natural numbers, I can use. Both are rational numbers, I can use. Both are irrational numbers, I can use. One is positive, another is negative, I cannot use. So, what is that concept that we discussed? LCM of A comma B, A comma B, A comma B, A comma B. How to find out the LCM? A should be written as AK1, B should be written as BK2, BK2. K1 and K2 are natural numbers. K1 and K2 are natural numbers. There will be some common multiple. Now, LCM of 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. Now, if you see, 1 by 2 into 1. K1 is a natural number. 1 by 2 into 2. 1 by 2 into 3. 1 by 2 into 4. And so on. Are you all with me? Next one. 1 by 3 into 1. 1 by 3 into 2. 1 by 3 into 3. And 1 by 3 into 4. And so on. Are you all with me? 1 by 2 into 2. It is 1. 1 by 3 into 3, it is 1. So, what is the answer I got? 1. Answer, I got it as 1. Answer, I got it as 1. Are you all with me? So, LCM of fractions, LCM of fractions, LCM of fractions, it is equivalent to LCM of numerator by HCF of denominator. Very easy to prove. LCM of fractions, it is equivalent to LCM of numerator by HCF of denominator. Why it is LCM of numerator by HCF of denominator? Suppose LCM of A1 by B1, A2 by B2 equivalent to X by Y. LCM of A1 by B1 comma A2 by B2. Both are rational numbers. Answer, LCM will also be a rational number. Now, if you see here, suppose for example, LCM of 6 comma 9, it is 18. 18 is a multiple of this number. 18 is a multiple of this number. That means X by Y should be a multiple of this number. If it is X by Y is a multiple of this number. X by Y, when divided by A1 by B1, it should be 0. 18 divided by 6, remainder 0. 18 divided by 9, remainder 0. So, this is nothing but X by Y into B1 by A1. It should be 0. Now, if you see, X should be a multiple of A1. Yes or no? If X is a multiple of A1, here X by Y, X by Y, X should be a multiple of A1. X should be a multiple. Where, what is X here? X should be a multiple of A1. Multiple means it will come in LCM. Multiple means it will come in HCF. Y should be a factor of B1. Factor is coming in the denominator. Factor means it is HCF. Very, very easy, sir. LCM of two rational numbers, it is also a rational number. So, LCM of 6 and 9, it is 0. That means 18 is perfectly divisible by 6. X by Y is perfectly divisible by A1 by B1. A1 by B1 reverse, it will become B1 by A1. That means X should be a multiple of A1. X should be a multiple of A1. X is there in the numerator. Multiple of A1. Multiple means I will get LCM. Y should be a factor of B1. Factor is there in the denominator. So obviously it will be HCF. So LCM of fractions, it is defined as LCM of numerator and HCF of denominator. LCM of numerator and HCF of denominator. I hope the idea it is clear. So 8 and 16, 8 and 16, 8 is a factor, 16 and 10. So 2 8s are, 2 5s are, it is 2 8s are, it is 80 by. Now if you see here, make the numbers into all the fractions, x by a by b. If you see 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 and 1 are co-prime to each other. So this can be further optimized. 8 comma 4 4s are, 4 5s are, and it is 10 by 7. 10 by 7. 10 and 7 are co-prime. 16 and 20 are not co-prime. Both the numbers should be co-prime. 8 and 1 are co-prime. 8 and 1 are co-prime. So 8, 4 by 5, 10 by 7. Then apply LCM of numerator by HCF of denominator. These 40 by 1. 40 by 1. 40 by 1. I hope the idea it is clear. 40 by 1. LCM of numerator by HCF of denominator. 1 with any number, HCF it is 1. 1 with any number, HCF it is 1. Fractions should be in the simplest form. Two numbers will be in its simplest form. If their HCF it is 1. Since this question involves HCF, I will again come back to this question. When I am discussing HCF basic foundation, again I will come back to this question. Next one, LCM of pi and 22 by 7. I told you that LCM is valid only for the family of same numbers. Pi it is an irrational number. Pi it is an irrational number. Pi it is an irrational number. 22 by 7, it is a rational number. Pi it is a non-terminating, non-recurring. Rational number, it is either terminating or recurring. Either terminating or recurring. So answer is does not exist. LCM is always taken for the same family. Both should be irrational number. Both should be rational number. Both can be natural numbers. Both can be positive numbers. Both can be positive numbers. Now, LCM of 10 minus 20 minus 25. LCM is defined for a same family. LCM is defined for a same family. These positive, positive. It is negative. You cannot compute LCM of positive with negative. LCM of positive with negative. One student asked me some years before, sir, what is the LCM of minus 20 and minus 40? They both belong to the same family. LCM of minus 20 comma minus 40. See here, what are minus 20 multiples? A minus 20, minus 40, minus 60 and so on. Minus 40, minus 80, minus 120 and so on. Am I right? Now see here. LCM stands for lowest common multiple. Lowest common multiple. Lowest common multiple. These were 20, it is less than 40. But if I put a negative sign, minus 20 is greater than minus 40. Minus 20 is greater than minus 40. So this is the greatest common multiple. Greatest common multiple. The multiples will be minus 40, minus 80, minus 120 and so on. And so on, so on, so on, so on. So answer is minus infinite. Minus infinite. This we call it as countable infinite. Countable infinite. I hope the idea it is clear. Do not get confused and tick mark it as minus 40. Minus 20, minus 40. LCM of two numbers can be written as AK1 and AK2, K1 and K2 are natural numbers. Minus 21s are, minus 22s are, minus 23s are, and so on. Minus 41s are, minus 42s are, and so on. 20 is less than 40. Minus 20 is greater than minus 40. So these are all greater values. These are all greater values. 40 is less than 80. Minus 40 is greater than minus 80. You computed GCM. I want LCM. I want LCM. So minus 40, minus 80, minus 120. On the number line, minus 40, minus 80. Smaller value is on the left side. We do not know that value. So we indicate it by minus infinite. I hope